Hello friends, welcome back to Quick Poetry Knowledge. This is your hostess Mehjabin. Today I am going to talk to you about an important literary device called allegory. I am also going to point out 5 characteristic features of an allegory. I will also mention some examples of famous allegories in literature. An allegory is a narrative which is found both in prose and poetry. It is a story within a story. One story conveys an idea which is apparent to the reader during a cursory reading. Yet, when this story is read deeply, another hidden meaning can be found. For example, an allegorical poem can narrate the story of two children fighting at school. But on a deeper level, this poem can convey a clash between two cultures. A writer uses the form of allegory to convey an important message to his readers. This message might have a strong moral value. It might also have a religious or spiritual significance. Sometimes an allegory might also have a lesson related to historical or contemporary events. Sometimes the message in an allegory can be clearly understood. At other times, the reader has to study the literary work seriously in order to understand the message of the writer. Some examples of allegory. Edmund Spenser used this literary device in his best-known work, The Faerie Queene. Samuel Taylor Coleridge used allegory in his poem, Rime of the Ancient Mariner. The sonnet, The Caged Skylark, is a personal allegory of the poet Gerard Manley Hopkins's life, which was restricted and cramped by his everyday duties and by the constant frustration of his creative impulses. The English writer John Bunyan's novel, The Pilgrim's Progress, is the most famous allegory ever written. It is a religious allegory and was published in 2 parts in 1678 and 1684. It is the most famous Christian allegory still in print. The book is a symbolic vision of the good man's pilgrimage through life. Well, that's all for today. I'll meet you again very soon. Bye.